Okay, after you've installed the PLG expansion boards into your Motif rack, press power. Checking plug-in board. Alright. And press this button, multi. Turns red. Then press this button to go into your multi-timbral mode. Okay, and press this button right here is 1, 5, 9, 13. Then there's your first card. Press down, twist this. Okay, there's your sound. Okay, to go over to the other card, press this second button, it bounces over. Twist this. Okay, electric piano. Then press up, just like with this channel, to change the sounds. Okay, likewise with the previous card. All right, have fun. Peace.